Students, we are having the idea of the subsets. Now by this slide, we will see how the natural numbers is a subset of whole number and whole number is a subset of integers, positive integers, and the integers are the subset of rational numbers and rational numbers are the subset of real numbers. It means real number is a superset of all kind of numbers. Now you will see how we can represent our sets. One mathematician, especially logician, when Mr. Venn described the representation of the sets in form of circles. He expressed the whole set, the universal set, in form of the rectangle and all sets in form of the circles. You can see A is a subset of B, and second, if we are representing two sets, then we will take these type of two circles. When we have to take three sets, we will take three circles. Now we will learn about the operation of sets. The first is intersection of sets, second union of sets, third difference of two sets, fourth complement of a set. Now we will learn about intersection of sets. Intersection is denoted by, you can say, ulta u, opposite of u. You can see the representation sign, that is A intersection B. What do you mean by A intersection B? A intersection B is the common element of A and B sets. हिंदी में मैं बोलूंगी A intersection B का मतलब होता है common part. A और B का common part. Whatever is the common part, you can see in the picture, in the Venn diagram, that is 1713 blue colored area. If I am showing the A intersection B in the Venn diagram, it means the part which is belong to A and B both. And A intersection B, I will take one example that is given here. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 7, 11 and 13. B is 1, 7, 13, 4, 10, 17. What are the common elements of A and B? It is seen here 1, 7 and 13. So my answer for A intersection B is 1, 7 and 13. A intersection B को अगर हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो व्हाट आई विल से A intersection B, that is one element X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Now we will take some properties on intersection, that is A intersection A will be equals to A itself. Next, A intersection null set, A intersection phi equals to phi. Next, A intersection A complement will be equals to phi. I will explain later this thing. A intersection B will be equals to B intersection A. It means A intersection B is commutative. Next, if A is a subset of U, then A intersection U will be equals to A. It means U denotes here the universal set. A is a subset of U. It means all the elements of A are in U. It means A intersection U will be equals to A. Next, A is a subset of B. If and only if A intersection B equals to A. If and only if means if first part is given, then second is right. If second is given, then the first part is right. Now we will discuss the disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. When you are finding the A intersection B. If A intersection B is 5, if you are not getting any element common between A and B, then those sets are called disjoint sets. It means we can write the property here. A intersection B is 5, then the A and B are called disjoint sets. Now we will see the union of sets. Union means all. Union means all. All the elements of A and B. If I will see A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, then what is the A union B? That is all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0 itself. Now we will learn about the union of sets. See, there is example of A union B. A is having the element A is having element A, C, P, D, R and E, and set B is having the element R, E, J, Z and S. Then A union B will be equals to A, C, P, D, R, E, J, Z and S. Now there are few properties about the union. That is, first, A union A will be equals to A. A union 5 will be equals to A itself. Now third, A union A complement will be equals to universal set. We will see later on. If A is any subset of U, then A union U equals to U, that is universal set. Fifth property, if A is a subset of B, if and only if A union B equals to B. If and only if means first part is given, then second is proved, and second is given, then first will be proved. Now next property, A union B will be equals to B union A. It means union and intersection both are commutative. Now see, the first Venn diagram shows B is the subset of A because B is inside the A circle. Now second, A union B. B is inside the circle and we are having shaded all the part of A and B both. Now second is A intersection B. What is common between A and B both? That is B part shaded. It means that is A intersection B. Now next property is difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Like we are doing simple arithmetic subtraction like 4 minus 2. You will write 2. 4 minus 1 you will write 3. It means हमने 4 में से 1 को हटा दिया. Right? In the same manner we will do A minus B. A में से B वाले एलिमेंट अगर हम हटा देंगे और what are the remaining elements of A? That will be your A minus B. A minus B means the excluded part, the remaining part of A by excluding B part, right? It means A minus B, that is X belongs to A, X does not belong to B. B minus A will be equals to X belongs to B, X is not belongs to A. Like example, set A is equals to 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, set B equals to 3, 2, 1, 7, 5. सेट A में से B के जो भी पार्ट आ रहा है उनको हटा दो. सेट B का हमारे पास 1 आ रहा है, 7 आ रहा है, राइट? 1, 7 हटा के क्या बचा हमारे पास? 4, 8 and 9. It means A minus B will be equals to 4, 8 and 9. Here is one another example for A minus B. You will see yourself. Now the complement of a set. The complement of a set means whatever remaining out from the universal set. It means u minus a will be your complement set. What I told? U minus a. Like we have to find out the a complement. Complement is always find out from the universal set. For finding the complement, you must have universal set first of all. If you are given u and you have to find out the complement of any set, it means you will finding out the remaining element of universal set except the given set. Right? Example. Example. That is, you are having universal set Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And A is having the element that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And you want to find the A complement. What is the remaining element of universal set? That is Sunday and Saturday. That is A complement will be equal to Saturday and Sunday. Here I have given some Venn diagram to show different sets, that is A union B complement, A intersection B, A intersection B complement. You will do practice by drawing these operations. Beta see here, that is A union B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. This law is known as De Morgan's law. Now next, now this is also the De Morgan's law, that is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now, now you will see some various properties, that is n of A. N of A means cardinal number of A set equals to n of A minus B plus n A intersection B. Now next, you can read it itself. Only we will, the important property is fourth one property, that is n A union B will be equals to n of A plus n of B minus n A intersection B. If n A intersection B equals to 5, it means A and B are disjoint sets, then n of A union B will be equals to n of A plus n of B. Next, n A plus n of A complement will be equals to n of universal set.